Want to cook perfectly, but not sure which meat thermometer to choose? Don't worry. Today we're showing you the top 5 best meat thermometers, fast, accurate, and essential for perfect cooking. Each thermometer will be highlighted with special features like quick readings, precise temperature, or easy-to-read displays. Watch till the end and find out which one is perfect for you. Let's get started. Item number 5. Introducing the ThermoMaven Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer P4, the ultimate tool for precision cooking. With NIST-certified 6-sensor accuracy and 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit precision, it ensures your food is cooked to perfection every time. The smart display base works standalone or with the app, offering real-time readings and Wi-Fi control from anywhere. Its 4 ultra-thin probes let you monitor multiple dishes at once, while IPX8 waterproofing makes cleanup effortless. Enjoy 24+ hours of use on a single charge and high temp resistance up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for grilling, smoking, or oven cooking. Item number 4. Introducing the Chef IQ Sense Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer, the ultimate tool for precision cooking. With 5 advanced sensors for maximum accuracy and Wi-Fi unlimited range, you can monitor your food from anywhere. The 4 ultra-thin probes let you cook multiple dishes at once while preserving flavor and texture. Built to withstand up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, it's perfect for grilling, smoking, or oven cooking. Enjoy real-time alerts, guided recipes, and 70 hours of battery life for worry-free cooking. Dishwasher safe and rechargeable, the Chef IQ Sense makes smart cooking truly effortless. Item number 3. Introducing the ThermoPro TempSpike Plus, your ultimate wireless meat thermometer for precision grilling and cooking. Featuring Bluetooth 5.2 technology with an extended 600 feet range, it ensures a stable, long-distance connection anywhere. The 2 color-coded probes make it easy to monitor multiple dishes at once, while the LCD-enhanced booster displays real-time temperatures without needing your phone. Built tough with IP67 waterproofing and heat resistance up to 50 degrees heat, it's made for durability and accuracy. Ready to use right out of the box, no Wi-Fi or setup required. Smart, fast, and reliable. TempSpike Plus redefines effortless cooking. Item number 2. Introducing the Univer Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer, designed for precision, convenience, and limitless control. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, enjoy unlimited range and real-time cooking alerts from anywhere. Featuring 6 NIST-certified sensors with bias 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit accuracy, it guarantees perfect doneness every time. Built from Suez 3-or stainless steel, it's IPX8 waterproof, heat-resistant up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, and safe for dishwashers. The smart LED base and companion app offer temperature charts, alarms, and customization. With 15-minute fast charging for 72+ hours of use, Univer ensures flawless results, whether grilling, roasting, or smoking. Select 3 more words to run Humanizer. Item number 1. Introducing the Aero Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer, the perfect companion for grilling, smoking, oven roasting, and air frying. Equipped with dual ultra-thin probes, it monitors 2 dishes simultaneously while preserving juices and flavor. With Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity up to 200 feet, you can track cooking remotely with real-time alerts and temperature updates. The fast-charging battery delivers over 35 hours of use from just 20 minutes of charging. Built for convenience, its IP67 waterproof probes are dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. Achieve perfect doneness every time with precision, speed, and smart monitoring. Which of meat thermometers is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.